Yo, what's going on everybody? Son Yonatan back again with another post, and in today's post we have the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. I haven't upgraded to the iPhone in a couple years, so I feel like this video is a good video for anybody who's been thinking about upgrading, and I have some accessories that I think that the average person might need when they're considering upgrading to this new iPhone. I'll tell you the reasons why I got this iPhone in the video, so go ahead and stay tuned and just check out this unboxing. Alright guys, so I'm very excited to go ahead and unbox this for you. I was waiting all day to go ahead and do it because I didn't want to do it without being in front of the camera, because you guys, you know, usually when I'm getting this iPhone, let's look at that. When I'm getting these iPhones, I'm usually ready to just open it and do what I gotta do, set it up and everything. But today, I thought it was good to be responsible because I know that I was gonna wanna put the screen protector and put a case on this iPhone because I am not playing with this $1,000 phone. But let's go ahead and take this iPhone 15 Pro Max out of the case. I'm so excited if it's not coming off on camera, but look at that titanium. We got that natural titanium iPhone. It looks so beautiful. It feels nice in the hands. It's curved. So right here, this camera that I'm filming with right here that I'm pointing at, that's an iPhone 13 mini. And I was so used to using the iPhone 13 mini because it's smaller. It actually is a really good iPhone if you're not trying to break the bank. But today, I really decided to go ahead and upgrade to this one. And it's mainly, look at the way that peeled off, just because of the USB-C. I'm sorry guys, I'm a little bit hyped, but it's really the USB-C. The USB-C is the main reason, and the cameras. The cameras and the USB-C are the main reason why I went ahead and got this new iPhone. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, and we're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy set up. All right, so while that's turning on, we do have that new USB-C to USB-C charger. We don't have a lightning cable anymore, and I'm excited about that. That's one of the real reasons why I got this iPhone is because I make YouTube videos, right? I'm so used to using my camera and filming with another iPhone, things like that, but I needed to get the best camera that I can just turn on the fly. Like, that's another reason why I like this iPhone. I do like that we get a braided cable. You know, we got these stickers. Oh, do we get Apple stickers? Yeah, we get Apple stickers and, you know, just a little bit of paperwork, but we're gonna go ahead and put that to the side. I really thought I was gonna need my trusty switchblade or like my utility knife, but Apple made it easy to go ahead and open this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the side right now, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the other accessories that I got. So like I said, I did not want to open up this iPhone without getting a case. So I got this case from this place called GONEZ. I've never heard of it, but you guys, I'm gonna put everything that I got today in the link in the description today, so you can go ahead and get everything that I got in this video. I just wanted to get a neutral color because I got this natural gray phone. Eventually, I'm gonna get a case that shows off this beauty because this phone is just so nice. I really want to rock it naked, but I'm not about to play with this $1,000 phone. So let's go ahead and put a case on it. It fits really nice. Let's go ahead and set this phone up. I'm gonna go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi and get this phone connected, and I'll show you the other accessories that I got with this phone. All right, so while that's updating, something that I do like about this GONEZ case is it comes with some screen protectors. So I'm gonna go ahead, while this phone is updating, it's downloading the update, I'm gonna go ahead and agree. I'm just gonna go ahead and get this phone ready to put the screen protector on, because like I said, I'm not playing with this $1,000 phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this screen protector on, get all my fingerprints that I got up on here in the last 2 seconds. Alright, that actually went pretty good. I do see a little bit of bubbles, but a little bit of bubbles on the screen is nothing compared to having your screen shatter. And I'm probably gonna upgrade this one to a sapphire screen because I've seen that the sapphire screens actually are more scratch resistant. You know, they're gonna actually protect your phone a lot more. But as this sits on the phone, all these bubbles are gonna come out. This one came with some screen protectors, or some actually lens protectors I should say, for the back of the phone. But since I had this case on, this lip is actually covering the actual lenses on the phone, and these lenses are really scratch resistant. They're really hard, so I'm not gonna cover them at this moment, but I was just nervous to have this phone not wrapped up at all. But I don't think it needs to have every little part to be covered, but I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it like this. Okay, and so while the iPhone is going ahead and updating, I just want to tell you guys some other accessories that I think would be beneficial for this iPhone specifically. I really got this iPhone because it has the USB-C, and so with that USB-C, I had to get some upgrades. So I have an SD hard drive that I'm able to, just put all my information on, all my SD card files, all my YouTube files, all the pictures I take. And it has one of these USB to like hard drive connectors. That way, the iPhone, this new iPhone with the USB-C, the iPhone 15 is able to download the photos and videos directly to a hard drive. So I needed something that connected the hard drive directly to the phone. This is also a connector for USB-C hub that plugs up into the wall. I needed a specific type. So if you see this one right here, this is the one I needed, and so that's why I got that one. Another thing that I got with this iPhone, just to make sure that I will be prepared. Oh, I actually have a reason to use my knife now. Because when you have the iPhone, the other ones, the iPhone 13, iPhone 14, everything before the iPhone 15, you have the lightning connection. And when you use the lightning connection, you have to use these dongles. Like, I'll show you an example. You have to use this dongle that has the lightning connector, and it goes to USB-C, USB 2.0. It goes to the mic. It's the lightning port, so you put another lightning cable inside here to go ahead and charge it. The only thing that's negative with this is that you have to have this whole peripheral. Now that the iPhone actually just has a USB-C at the bottom, I can go ahead and just go USB-C to USB-C to iPhone. So now I can just plug this in, and this can be my charger, but it's also able to plug into my, if I had a keyboard, I can play music, or I can have a keyboard to actually type. I can have a SD card to go ahead and download all the files onto the SD card. It's just a less step of having to connect something. Like, for instance, I have a microphone that can plug into the iPhone that can pick up my voice. Well, it needs to be going through a dongle. It has to go through all these different peripherals. But now you can just put it straight into the phone, and the phone might actually be able to charge that USB-C mic, because the phone actually puts out a certain amount of charge. I think it's like a 4-watt charge. So you can charge another iPhone, you can charge another device, and this will actually allow you just to do so much more than I can do with my iPhone 13 mini. But anyways, you guys, this phone is about to update. I'm so excited to be able to use this iPhone to make more YouTube content. This is really what I got it for. This iPhone's gonna help me so much in doing videos, and to doing live streams, gaming, so many other things. Like, I'm an actual person that uses my technology to the limit. I use my cameras, I use my phone to edit videos, and I want to show you guys exactly how I do these type of things. But I just wanted to show you from an average consumer perspective, like just somebody who, I just work a 9-to-5 job. I'm not a tech YouTuber. I don't do this all the time. But I just want to show you guys exactly, like, somebody from my perspective, like why I would get these expensive iPhone 15 Pro Max. Like, what I would use it for, and what my thought process is. What type of devices am I thinking of getting when I have it? Also, this is a 10 megabit per second USB-C 3.1 Gen 2. So this is gonna be able to get your photos downloaded, uploaded very fast. So I can't wait to do some tests with this iPhone, and to just show you guys from like just a regular guy's perspective what this is like. So my next videos I'm gonna be posting is gonna be me flipping my PS4 into a PS5. I've been doing a lot of sales on eBay, and I've been doing really good at just selling things on eBay. If you did enjoy this video and you stayed to this long, I hope that you go ahead and give me a like, give me a comment, and tell me if you're getting an iPhone 15, if you like the new changes that Apple is making, or what would you want Apple to go ahead and make with their next iPhone, like the iPhone 16 or the iPhone 15s. But you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. This is your boy, son Yonatan. I'll catch you guys later.